right there. All right, we'll pull up. Now reel down real fast. Pull up.
I'm going to stretch my
There you
thigh.
go. Real
That
fast.
damn same pole.
Put it right there. Put it in your vest. Right there. There you go. All right. Reel down.
Okay, now.
Pull up.
Oh, it's a big one.
Hang on. Don't try to reel.
Put it in your,
Don't
put
try to
the,
reel. Put it in your belly. Here. Put it right there. All right. Now pull up. You don't reel when you go up. Now reel down. All right. Pull up.
Ow, this hurts.
Here, I'll hold it. I'll put my hand in. All right. All right. Reel down. Pull up. There you go. Reel down. Pull up. Good job, man. He's strong, ain't he?
Yeah.
He's a lot bigger. All right, go down.
got a monster.
All right, go down. You don't have to pull it all the way up, just a little bit. Ooh, hang on, let him play him a little bit. He's strong.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Reel. All right, reel. Let's pull up again. Let's pull up again. Hang on, look. He's going nowhere, is he?
No.
That's got to be a flathead.
Reel down. Got it, man. You're doing good. Reel down. Yeah, look at them muscles you got, boy. You got some muscles on you. Reel down.
Ooh.
You got him. Take a break. Take a break. Just hold him.
Alright, I'm good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Pull up. Alright, reel down real fast. Alright, that's it.
Oh man, he's gonna be a big one.
Reel.
Oh, that's him.
Reel down. Reel again. Reel. Alright, pull up.
That's as far as I can
Alright,
go.
when you pull up, you gotta reel down. When you reel it, real fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, he's starting to come up. Now go down, go real fast and reel it. You ready? Go, reel. Oh, yeah. Oh. He's right here. He's right there. All right, hang on, Lenny. He's fighting us.
Yeah.
Fighting.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, hang on.
He's right there.
Reel down. He's in that other line. Look at him pulling that drag off there. Woo! Woo, man. He's big.
Yeah.
You got your breath?
Yeah.
You ready to try it again? All right, let's pull him up. All right, reel down real fast. Pick him up again. Reel down real fast. There you go. All right, real fast. There you go. Let me have that gas.
Oh my gosh! Holy smokes! Look at that fish!
And I caught
Bring him
that.
in here a little closer, man. Bring him in here.
Really? Yeah. Come back here with the pole.
Oh my god. I can't believe I caught that. No, I can't hold that.
I'll help you hold it. Or Roland can help you hold it.
This thing's huge. Oh
Holy shit!
my gosh.
I've never caught one that big.
Yeah, I got one bigger than you.
Yeah, you did. I've never got one that big. That thing is bigger than Blake. Holy shit.
Come on over. Come around this way, Blake. Come over and stand by, man. Come on, get a picture of you in there.
You should weigh him.
Come on over here. I'll hold him up. Let
What if
Mom
it-
get it.
what if
Hang on.